It is a beautiful morning here in Marseille, and Notre Dame is beautiful. It appears to be kind of a nautical theme, a lot of pictures of ships.
There are also strings of model ships hanging from the ceiling.
We stopped for two important things in Marseille. One was soap.
Soap is famous here.
Bonjour.
It's made out of olive oil. It's supposed to be good for your skin. We also got some typical cookies called navettes.
Two orange, yes. And then here, so the feature, this one is plain and this is...
And the people in both of those shops were just the cutest people.